guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I just wanted to look at GPUs and what the pricing of them are now. It's January 23rd as of recording this video, and also the crypto market right now has been essentially going down. So this is probably going to affect the prices here pretty soon if we keep on going down, but who knows, right? But I just wanted to compare pricing now. I'm going to look at eBay, recently sold on eBay, and just generally look at, how much, 3090 is, or maybe 5700s or even 580s have gone up in price over the past couple months. I'm going to refer back to a video I did maybe 3 or 4 months ago where I bought $5,000 worth of GPUs. And probably now that whole stack of GPUs I have is probably worth maybe 10,000 now if I were to recalculate, but we'll go through that later on in this video. But mainly looking at the trends as well for a majority of the GPUs that really have gone up over the past couple months in price. But that's, in my opinion, going to go with how GPU mining in terms of profitability was pretty good, was generally good for even above 14 or even 15 cents, for a good maybe month or two. But now that the market has essentially been going down ever since the Bitcoin ETFs were approved, it's just been kind of like a downward spiral here. Maybe not that big, but depends how you look at it. Anyways, let me expand on all of this in a sec, right after a word from today's video sponsor, CoinMiningCentral.com. Based in the United Kingdom, Coin Mining Central has been in business for over 5 years as one of the top leading suppliers of crypto mining hardware and cryptocurrency related products with free worldwide shipping. They have competitive pricing and offer secure and tracked delivery for peace of mind. Secure and encrypted payment options using numerous cryptocurrencies and bank wire transfers, account management for your orders, professional customer support, and even bulk ASIC miner deals in which all new miners come with a manufacturer warranty. Check out CoinMiningCentral.com today and use code RPM for $135 USD off each product ordered. Links in the video description below. Okay, so make no mistake, crypto mining for a lot of people that are probably looking at how profitability, for those that care about profitability, okay, there's going to be miners that care about how much they make a day. Then there's going to be miners that maybe don't care about it. Maybe they care about their yield and they're just mining and holding, which in my opinion is going to be the best strategy. Of course, your electrical cost, it's going to differ from everyone. And so there's no right or wrong strategy I can say. If you had 4 cents or 5 cents right now, I mean, you're just printing money at that point if you had cheap electric. But for anyone like 10 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents and above, you might have to change your strategy and go the mine and hold method, wait for price appreciation, as I think generally a lot of us home miners have done, and it has worked out. But anyways, going just to preface this video regarding how the market's been going down, okay, before I talk about the GPU prices, okay, so over the course of the past 2 or 3 weeks here, ever since the Bitcoin ETF news, okay, in terms of like GPU mineable coins, like over the past 30 days here, there has been pretty much a downward trend for a lot of prominent GPU mineable coins, okay? So like Mirai, for instance, over the past 30 days, overall down 41%. Satox also down 43%. Let's see, Meowcoin down 100%. Ergo's down 31, a prominent coin there. Game Pass is down. It's like a Kapow coin. Ironfish is down. Raven coin generally down. Nexa down 19% over the past 30 days. Dynex down 16%. Past 60 days, it's down 45%. Radiant is down 43% over the past 60 days. Just going down this list, right? But over the past 30 days, aren't there any winners? Okay. And there really aren't many. Sia coin has been going over the past 30 days, up 93%. And that's probably going to be because of the gold shell. They have a new, I think 2 new ASIC models coming out. I'm sorry, this is a GPU. I know this is a GPU mining video, but I'm just explaining here why Sia coin is probably going up, because as Sia coin has been going up here, there's been 2 new ASIC models been announced, and probably Bitmain's going to come out with their SC3 or whatever, probably sell those, who knows. Lithium, okay, so it looks like Lithium, yeah, did have a pretty big jump, I'd say, over the past couple of weeks. 30 days, 65%, past 60 days, 147%. Past 7 days, though, it's been going down about, 25%. I think the high was like $2.50. So there was a time when everyone was on, even now, I mean, hashrate.no, Lithium was bouncing around in terms of profitability for a lot of GPU miners, and the hash rate for Lithium went up a lot, went up quite a bit. But going back here, okay, so really not a lot of winners over the past 30 days, especially GPU mineable coins. Okay, in terms of, for those that care about profitability, that's what I'm trying to refer here. And so that's why in a sense, since the market's been going down, okay, overall trend going down over the past couple of weeks, that we have seen profitability wise go down as well. Okay, so as I don't know, I did 15 cents like last profit video. And if I were to go to like a 580, like 580, we're like breaking even at like 10 cents or something. So even at 15 cents, it's losing like 12 cents right now at 15-cent kilowatt hour. So that just tells me, yes, the overall trend for profitability wise has been going down. Look at that. So breaking even roughly is for a 580. I'm not saying 580 is good for mining. That's just my benchmark here. It's going to be around 9 cents now. So from 15 cents to where it was like really good, like profitable on a 580, now it's 9 cents. Okay. Breaking even. Okay. That's how much the market has fallen, if you guys understand here. So for everyone that's, turned on and, all the extra hardware that's turned on, there's that equilibrium, a lot of hash rate has turned on essentially over the past couple of months. And that's, in my opinion, going to coincide with the GPU pricing trends of how these prices of GPUs have been going up over the past couple months. So you guys roughly know what's happening over the past couple weeks here as the market goes down. I mean, a lot of proof of work GPU mineable coins have essentially been going down as well. So hopefully you understand that. Okay, so preface with that. Now let's go on and talk about my purchase of GPUs that I did about 3 months ago. October 16th, I did a video here titled, I bought $5,000 worth of GPUs. You guys have probably seen the massive amount of GPUs I left on the floor here. A good quarter of them are online, not all of them. I think in total I had about 65, 67 AMD GPUs, and half of them were 5700 XTs and the other half were RX 580s. Okay, so lots of AMD GPUs. So 580s were generally, I think I got around $35 each for the 580s, and then the 5700 XTs averaging around less than $190 to $95 average. So in total, it was roughly about $5,000 for all of the GPUs that I got here. So let's look at what are the pricing of the GPUs that I got, before. And I have a screenshot here. Okay. So RX 580s back in October 14th was around $60 to $80 selling on eBay. Okay. And then the 5700 XTs were selling for about 120, 145, 150. And so let's look at what 5700 XTs are now. Okay. They're selling, some of them are selling for over $200. Okay. January 22nd, 2024, as of recording here, $180 for an XFX 5700, $200 for a Sapphire Pulse, 169, 139, 127. The prices range here. 230 water blocked one, 178, 159, 147. I think the trend is now kind of coming down for these 5700s, but just like maybe a week or two ago, the prices of these GPUs were generally a lot higher. Okay, compared to when I bought these GPUs. Not for $145 each, like I said, was roughly around under $100. And so these are, back then was around 120, 150, around there for the Power Color Red Devil, the cream of the crop brand, the Power Color Red Devil, one of my favorite GPUs as well. I just love how it looks. You guys have seen them before. So looking at it now, if I were to sell, all those GPUs that I bought a couple months back, could I flip them for around 10K? Yeah, probably, because the RX 580, in my opinion, also has kind of gone up over maybe for some, depending on the model, maybe it's kind of the same, but some people are paying $76 plus $31 shipping for a Sapphire Nitro RX 580 Special Edition. MSI 580 GT, $80 plus $26 shipping. So over $100 for a 580. People are paying these numbers January 23rd. Still. Now, if I were to sell my $35 RX 580s, it'd be maybe about $60 on average, I think. So it'd be double than what I paid for at least. So, and my 5700 XTs would be the same idea if I were to sell them for like 200, like double than what I paid for. So, and essentially the whole lot here that I got could be worth $10,000. That's just something that it's just funny to think about. Like, since the market has gone up over the past couple months, GPU mining, in terms of profitability wise, has gone up. So that's why, in my opinion, since the profits were up, that GPUs were also going up in a sense. So, but now let's talk about the trends for GPUs now. Okay, just generally. Like I like looking at like just 4090s and like 3090s, and like 3090s are about selling for $900. I know for a fact that maybe half a year ago, maybe when Bitcoin was like $25,000, $30,000, that these were selling for like $600. 3090s were like $600 on the used market. Now these are selling for well over $800,000. Well, that's a 3090 Ti, but yeah, you know, you guys understand what I mean. But let's look at the trends here. So 3060, I'm just going to skip the Intel GPUs. I don't know if anyone's buying these or not. I did heard recently that Intel could be coming out with a new model. I'm not quite sure, but the price trend for ARC A770s looks like it's been going down. Okay, but whether or not these GPUs are going to be good or have support for mining in the future, I have absolutely no idea. So due diligence there. But let's keep going here. RTX 3050, 8 gigabyte. Looks like the price trend for that has been stagnant over the past half year. Hasn't really gone down or up. Okay, let's see. RTX 3060 over the past half year looks like it's been going down. This is a 12 gigabyte card. Okay, so hovering around 300 and what, $50 or something. This is for brand new pricing. Okay, brand new prices, not used. Okay, I forgot to disclaimer that. 3060 Ti. All right, so looks like had a bit of a jump over the past couple months. I know this is when the markets and a lot of GPU mineable coins were also pumping, like going up, and so profitability was coming back. Hence why we did talk about, 15 cents being, profitable for a majority of the GPUs, even ARX 580s, for God's sake. Over 15 cent kilowatt hour. If you had 15 cent residential electric, you were profitable on pretty much all GPUs. It was pretty good during the past couple of months, but now as the market's going down, I'm assuming we're going to have downward pressure here, and also prices could be lower. Who knows? But talking about now. Okay, so 3060 Ti's. Yeah, okay, let's go to the next one. 3070s. Okay, so 3070 chart here looks pretty weird. 3070 LHR. Okay, looks like they were, brand new. They were like, what, $500? Wow, $500? And then, nowadays, like $600? Wow, that's crazy. Wait, 37. I'm assuming this is all for brand new. So not like anyone, I don't reckon. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. 549 for a 3070 V2, 653. These are all brand new. Wow, this is horrible. Yeah, so this has definitely gone up. Okay, I would like normally used. Okay, if we just do 3070, I mean, we might as well just go to eBay here. RTX 3070. It should be generally like under $300. Yeah. I mean, at one point, 6 months ago, I remember some people were selling these for $175, under like $200. So prices for 3070s has definitely gone up, but time will tell. If we keep going down here, if profitability starts tanking, we should probably see prices of these also go down. But I'll update you guys on that if I make another video in like a month or so. 3070 Ti's hasn't really been going up. Okay, brand new in prices. Going down here. 39. Okay, this chart looks. I already explained 3090s. Yeah, they used to be like $600. Now they're over $800 to $1,000 for some of them. 3090, 40. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip all the 40 series cards. I don't know if many people are buying these, but I guess depending how you think about it. I mean, if you're buying a, I don't know, $2,000 card, I mean, the idea here goes along with any other GPUs out there. I mean, if the bull run comes, I mean, in my opinion, like these GPUs should be worth a lot more than it is now, like $4,000, $5,000. I don't know. I'm just speculating. 3090s at one point used to be $3,000. The previous bull run, right? Do you guys remember that? These 3090s were selling for $3,000, maybe $3,500 at one point. So what's not to say 4090s could also do the same thing, or any other 40 series card. Okay, I guess that argument is kind of, it goes along with the bull run, right? For anyone that's buying 40 series for mining. It's just, in my opinion, it's just the efficiency gap between the 40 series and 30 series. It's not really a big difference. I mean, it is, but it's not. And so the dollar value that you're paying to buy these 40 series GPUs compared to like used 30 series GPUs, your break even, okay, it's going to be a lot longer on 40 series cards. But you can't forget the fact that, yes, if the bull run comes, GPU mining is extremely profitable, then your 40 series GPU will also be worth a lot. Good on core dependent coins, but not so much efficient gains against like, Kapow or, memory dependent coins like Ethash. Just don't feel like the price difference is worth it to buy the 40 series at this point versus used 30 series cards. But granted, these prices are going up for you. So Might have to change that depending on how much you can get the 40 series card, which 30, 40, 90s cost a lot, you know, 40 70s. I mean, how much are 40 70s? 40 70 super, for instance. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the 3070 price is new was like 549. Yeah. I would whip out like $100 more, buy a 4070 super. That's actually really funny to think about. The price difference there between a 4070 Super and a 3070 brand new. Let's just look at that again. That was 647. This is 549, 550. Wait, 653 for a 3070, dude. That's yeah. This is why are these wow, these prices are. I have actually never seen 30 series prices like recently. So this kind of shocks me that buying these new, like they're still available. People are like, you know, these are available. 620 of these, 653. That is not a good price. Wow. I hope nobody is buying these on Amazon. Anyways, okay. I mean, this kind of correlates to the 3070 here pricing average. Okay, that makes sense. 600. Okay, so it has gone up for buying new. So look at that. Okay, I have to say yes, over the course of the past couple months, GPU pricing has gone up, and I mean across the board. I mean, a lot of you guys have probably seen it as well. But I want to know what you guys think and what is, I guess, your thought process right now. I mean, are you guys selling GPUs? Like, depending on your financial situation, like, what are you guys planning on right now? Like, are we on the precipice of the bull run? Are we on the next low for, you know, crypto mining, and then Bitcoin halving comes, and then a couple months later, everything starts going back up? You know, what's your guys' plan? What's the strategy here? Well, in my opinion, in my case here, I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling any GPUs. I'm just keeping everything I have now, and I'm going to be just continuing to mine and hold as much of the yield of whatever coin that I'm mining right now. I mean, that's the strategy, and waiting for the bull run to happen. So a lot of these other proof of work GPU mineable coins are going to price appreciate. That's the idea. Not everyone can do it. All right. I know everyone's in different financial situations. If you have low electrical cost, I mean, you're just printing money at that point. So if you're doing it as a business, I mean, I mean, everyone should be doing this as a business, because you can expense and depreciate depreciate the hardware that you buy, and also expense the electric. Okay. So there's a lot of positives there. It's like pretty much getting the crypto for free, because you're able to offset the income, which is the mining here, towards the asset that you paid for, and utilizing that to make money. Okay, anyways, not tax accounting advice. Go consult your CPA. I know tax time is like pretty much now for a lot of people, and that in of itself can be its own video. If you guys want me to do like a Coinly video, how I do my taxes or something, let me know down below. I don't know if anyone's interested in that or not. All right, anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts and what you guys have seen recently, and let me know what the next strategy is, or for GPUs. Still continuing to mine? Are you selling the stuff now, or what? I don't know. I'm just pulling that out there. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.